Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at Adobe Premiere and how to make a poor man's and a lazy man's intro in Adobe Premiere. Now, perhaps poor man is the wrong analogy or expression to use, considering that Adobe Premiere is so expensive, but let's say you're a student and you have access to Adobe Premiere, but you do not have the funds to purchase a copyrighted intro or anything along those lines, hire somebody to create it, or you don't have the technical skills or time to make one. This is a great option. So go ahead and hop into Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you're in there, you'll notice on the right hand side it says Essential Graphics along with these other options here. You want the Essential Graphics. If you do not see it, go ahead and hit Window and make sure that Essential Graphic is selected. If you click on Essential Graphics here and drag this tab down, click on Browse, click on Adobe Stock, and if you click on Free, this will give you all the options of free templates that they have. Go ahead and scroll down there until you find one that you like. Try to find the one that I use there. The one that I use is Underline Title. If you highlight it there, it will give you an option to download it. You can go ahead and download that there and you drag it onto your timeline. Once it's on your timeline, as you can see, it is a super basic title. If you click on the clip itself, it will pop up some options here. It's under the Essential Graphics Editor, and it will give you the option to change the positions, master scales, change some text options here. What you want to just go do is, at least what I did, delete these lines here, and just in the top one here, I put my channel name. Once that is done, if we go back here and hit play, you've got your channel name and a super basic intro. Now, obviously, it's lacking some music, so you can go on over to YouTube, go find No Copyright Sounds, browse through their library. I found one, Lost Sky Dreams. Go ahead and download that. They always have a link in the comment section. Once that's downloaded, drag the MP3 file onto the project itself, and you can then take it and throw it right on your timeline. Take it back there, do a little snip snip, delete that. You can highlight those two, right click and link, and now you have yourself an intro. Right, well, hopefully you liked this video. If you found this information informative at all, please do hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below if there's anything you would like me to do a video on. Thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you next time.